If you're in the market for a home that could be a bit of a project, close to town, with a lot on offer but still able to put your own touch on, number 2 Wattle Road in Coiba might just be it. The home's neat and tidy, ready to move straight into, but it certainly allows scope for someone to continue with the renovations. It has a great rear access to the block, which is really handy if you need to park big vehicles close to town, close to the Mersey River. Give me a call if you'd like to organise an inspection.